Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share a website that pays you for using them. All you have to do is to click with your mouse or tap with your phone or iPad or tab, and that's it. They pay you to your PayPal. This website has over 200,000 monthly visitors, and according to our research, they are completely legit and they pay you for using them. Now, in a moment, I will share how you can start earning money using this website. But before that, two important things. Number one, links in the description will give you a free software as usual. But at the same time, you should stick to the end of the video because I will explain how to use that software so you can make money like them. Yes, of course. In the later part of the video, I will also share how they are making money, getting all that traffic. And what are they actually doing to make so much money that they are able to pay you for using them? Interesting? Stick to the end of the video and I will tell you how. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know that you are the right person to notify when we will upload our next video. So let's begin. We are on enrollapp.com. Go down below, have a look at their website. Be the first to know what other companies are doing, answer their questions, take their tests anywhere you want, using any device you want, and earn rewards. Collect badges. Once you collect target badges, you will earn money. As of today, according to their website, 651,315 tests have been taken and counting. And you can even check out a sample test clicking that green button. Now you can enroll today. All you have to do is to sign up using your email and password. You check these boxes to confirm that you agree with their terms, and check this box to ensure you are not a robot and click enroll now button, and they will send you an email. You have to click on the link on the email to confirm. Now you can sign in into your dashboard using this page, and your progress is showing 0% because you haven't attended any test yet. To enroll, put your first name and put your last name. Once again, confirm that you are not a robot. Click continue. This 6% is not a test. It's the 6% of your account creation, but no worries, the account creation process is done only one time. Once you click this, I accept this challenge, they will take you to this page, let's do this. Click on the green button saying let's do this. Now you have to confirm your PayPal email because they will pay you through your PayPal. Choose your language and your country. I have selected English. You can choose your own language and click continue. And put your country code and give them your phone number, and then give them your country and tell them about your availability. In our case, we chose yes and click continue. Confirm your gender, whether you're male or female, and add your birth month, birth date, birth year, and click continue. Your highest level of education, then what is your day job? We are already on 66%, and as I told you, this is only one time. Then click continue. We are on 73%, super awesome, we're very close. What are your top job skills? Skill 1, skill 2, skill 3. Just select from drop down menu and click continue. Then how do you make money? All you have to do is to check these boxes. Add your salary, click continue. Now what are your top hobbies? Mention your hobby, and how would you describe your computer proficiency? Then how many hours per day do you spend on the internet? What devices can you test on? Once you're done with this, click finish registration, and the progress is 100%. Sweet, you're approved. Now that we are done with all the stuff, let's get to making the web a better place. And this is where you begin. Now you can attend polls, so you can click skip question if you want to. All you have to do is click the green button to skip question, or cancel and answer the question. But here is the catch. Once you answer, they will give you how did you stack up. Your answers should match the top percentage. Now you don't know what others answered, so there is a chance that you will answer wrong. If you are wrong, you will not get any point for that answer. So you can go for the next question. And are you a recruiter? Well, in this case, I chose no, and I got a point for that because most people answered no. Now the next question for me is, how often have you thought about starting your own business? This way the questions will keep coming and I have to answer. They will show the results immediately. Once you hit target number of answers, you'll get a badge. So already 45 questions answered. It just took, honestly, a few minutes of my time. Far I got 5 badges and total points 127. Mission progress is 12%, which took me just a few minutes. Once I complete all the badges by answering questions on all the badges, I will earn money. When I finish all the badges, I will make $1. Now $1 is not really a big amount, but $1 can be earned in half an hour. Then it's not bad, because if you work 5 hours, you'll make $10. This is not a big amount, but it is better than nothing. If you have any questions, you can always go to their help center and look at especially the payments section. Actually, before you begin, you should always check their FAQs, all the questions they have answered, and all the clarifications they have, their terms and conditions, because you don't want to end up working a lot and then not get paid because you might have violated some of their policies by mistake. Now the question is, how are they making money? Are on their landing page, what do you see? The first thing is an opt-in form. You have to give your email and password. Now this password is just a gimmick. They don't want your password. They want your email, because getting a subscriber's email is the first and the most important thing. Why? Because they know the people who are going to their website are the people who want to make money online. Not only that, the people who are spending time on answering those questions, these are active people. Your emails can be used in many different ways in the future. Now let me share how they get traffic. First, I looked into Uber Suggest to try and find out what kind of keyword, what kind of niche they're using. Well, honestly, I didn't find any keyword that they are ranking for. So where else they're getting traffic from? If you look at their analytics, most of their traffic is direct traffic, and some referral traffic, some search traffic, and some social traffic, and some email traffic. These are all interesting numbers, right? So direct traffic are the people who already know them. Referrals are the people who referred them, talking about them in different websites. And search traffic, you understand, when people search with their names, of course, the main keywords are enroll, enrollapp.com, etc. They go to their website. And here is another important thing. The social traffic are all from YouTube. Now, you might be asking, what is going on? Look at YouTube. When you search with Enrollapp, you'll find so many people teaching you how you can make money, just clicking, how you can make how many dollars in 60 seconds, etc., etc., etc. It's because these YouTubers need a reason, need a topic to create content on. And when they create content, they get viewers, they get traffic. And here is the kicker. This is the video from my friend, my very good friend, Branson Tay. And the views he got from this video is 86,000 views. Now look at this first link in the description. If you click here, what do you see? This page is just an opt-in page. So the first thing my friend Branson Tay wants from you is your name and your email address, basically your email address. And he will make all the money from sending you email. Now, link in the description will give you a software that I personally use to create opt-in forms. But that's not all. This software turns any PDF into your opt-in form and into your lead magnet. So all you need is this software alone to build list. You don't need anything else. Super awesome, right? Go get that application. Now, if you understand the psychology of these people and the psychology of YouTubers, then you know the content creators need a topic to create content on. So if you have a website that offers some kind of interaction like translation service or transcription service or anything else at all, a lot of people will visit your website. Google will know that your website is useful and they will rank your website. And a lot of YouTubers will make their videos about your website and you will get traffic from there. Now, the one thing is important. Your service has to be legit. 100% legit. Enrollapp is legit and everybody is talking about that, and that's why they get a lot of influencers talking about them, and they keep getting traffic. All the traffic are going to their mailing list. Just imagine 200,000 monthly visitors visiting their website. If even 20,000 people sign up every single month, that's a huge number. So all you need is the easiest list building software to build list. You will find it in the link in the description. And you will also need to create interactive websites so people visit your website, get their problem solved, and you get visitors from Google. Other influencers talk about your website and you get more and more visitors from them. That is it. I hope you loved it. If you liked our video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.